always enjoy these kind of sessions. I'm very passionate about development of the young people. I got a scholarship to do physics because I just chose my favorite subject. Just like all of you, I don't know what to do, right? So I know what I didn't want to be, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. So because of that, I got a scholarship from Ministry of Education to become a teacher. I didn't know at that time. I didn't want to become a teacher, but I said, okay lah, I just grab first whatever scholarship I can get. So I went to university and to do my physics, and then my seniors then, there were a few seniors then that said that, Yasmin, you must do this new thing, computer science. You must do this new thing, this up and coming thing, you must do this. But I said, then what about my scholarship? I have to do my physics as a teaching subject. They said, okay, you have got, there is this University of New South Wales, they had this very interesting degree at that time, which is a double major, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Applied Maths. And I love maths as well. After physics, maths was my next favorite subject. Early career advice for me is, number one, know your passion. Know your passion, follow that. And number two is that, in the early career, what you got to really prove is dependability. Dependability. People don't expect you to produce the kind of fantastic work, but they want to be able to say that if I give you something, you will deliver it. And you will deliver to the best of your ability. It means that if you got to go and find out, get help, whatever, you will go and get it, but you will get it done. So that to me would be my beginning advice. And it's very important for you when you guys go out and work in the first, some of the job that you're going to get are going to be very not glamorous. And I've seen kids that have got such strong expectation that when they go in and they get to do all these little detailed things which they don't think is important, they just give up. They just leave. And I think it's a waste because even those little things matters. There is a process of management actually. And I learned this in HP. It was one of the first things I learned. You have to learn the process of management. You got to set the vision, set the objectives, set up the task, and set up the deliverable. So there's like a closed loop process. So you can learn management skills. And most of us learn management skills first before you go into leadership. And that is the difference between management and leadership. Management is when you get people to get things done. When you're able to get people to get things done. Leadership is when you get people to want to get things done. So leadership is when you invoke inside their, you have to do that emotional connection. You got to tell them why you want to do it. In the industry now, there's a big issue around relevance, around readiness of graduates coming out. The industry is complaining that the graduates coming out from universities are not really skilled enough, And skill has got from two perspectives. One perspective is from the technical skills, the functional skills, and also on the soft skills. A lot of kids nowadays just look at education, a degree, as an end, and not as a means to an end. It's like, I got a degree and that's it, right? But getting a degree is just the beginning, and you have so much more learning to do. It's just a foundation. Right? That you got so much learning to do, and it's up to you to really just, after that, as a foundation, how do you keep abreast? If you choose different things, and the things that I learned in school, even after, especially in IT, after 5 years, 3 years even, it becomes irrelevant already. You have to keep abreast with new things. So, and that takes soft skills, that takes determination, that takes curiosity, that takes the ambition and the passion.